Hello everyone, this is Lucy and in this video I am going to show you how to create a transparent image in Excel. So first you need to click on the image you want to create the transparency and it will take you to this tab which is picture format, and you just need to click on the color and the adjust ribbon right there, and at the bottom you will see set transparent color. So after you click on that, you will see that your cursor has been changed with this icon. Click on the place where you want to set the transparency and you will see that you have changed your photo transparency to the one just like that. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos and I'll meet you guys in the next video.